Morning, everyone.
Morning!
My name is Limo Yudi. You can call me L. I'm from Lombok. My major KBNK level 3. PT Astra Honda Motor. PT Astra Honda Motor is the leading motorcycle manufacturer in Indonesia, and from its time in the automotive industry. I established it and I joined venture when PT Astra International Tbk and Honda Motor Co. Ltd of Japan. The company has played a vital role in shaping the two-wheeler market in Indonesia. With strong commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction, AHM continues to set industry benchmarks. The part is extensive product limit of and defensive manufacturing facilities and dedication to sustainable practices. Since its establishment has consistently led the Indonesia motorcycle market by offering its quality and efficient motorcycle to cater to the needs of customers. The company produces with several of models from automatic sport and sport bikes to business motorcycle and business with charging in technology and safety functions. Closing statement and PT Astra Honda Motor will achieve commitment to delivering its quality product and service that action customer expectation while in continuous innovation, sustainable growth, and building strong partnership. The belief progress. Thank you. Okay, I will open the question. Okay, Mr. Adel.
What are the main products and services offered by PT Astra Honda Motor?
PT Astra Honda Motor primarily manufactures and distribusi motorcycle in Indonesia.
Thank you for answer.
Okay, next. Okay, Mr. Kuryadi.
Thank you. This question: how does PT Astra Honda Motor contribute to sustainable transportation in Indonesia?
PT Astra Motor support sustainable transportation by developing full efficient and low emission motorcycle. Okay, next.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Patil.
What strategies does PT Astra Honda Motor use to maintain its market leadership in the motorcycle industry?
PT Astra Motor manages its markets, leading top company in a strong balance costing and with product right and cater to price customer needs. Thank you.
Thank you.